Hello Click Designers! So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can utilize the background replacer feature on the ClickDesigns AI Editor. So after you've logged into your account and are on your dashboard, you can either go to the template section and work with a done for you template, or on the My Design section and work with already made designs. So I'm going to choose the template section. I'm going to open up a template that I want to work on and launch the ClickDesigns editor with it. So I'm going to go to the logo section because I want to create a logo. And all you have to do is just go through the templates. When you find one that you like, hover over it and click on the edit icon over here, this blue pencil icon. So I'm going to do that and then get back to you after I've launched the editor. All right, so I've opened up the editor. I have my template. So instead of this transparent graphic, I want to replace it with an image. So to do that, simply go to the image section over here on the editor, click on that. And here you have 4 different options to choose an image. You can either upload one, choose from the image library, choose from the search bar, or choose from the cutouts. So I'm going to go to the search bar. So all you have to do is just search for a specific image that you'd like, and it is going to give you an array of different choices that you can choose from. When you find an image that you'd like, simply click on it and it is going to upload onto your canvas. So I'm just going to look for an image. I want to look for a notebook, and then I will get back to you once I have my chosen image. All right, so this is my image. I have this notebook here. So now that I have my image, I really want to change the background. So as you can see, the background is like this wooden texture type surface, but I want to change it to look more marble-like, if that makes sense. So I am going to click on this image. It is going to open up the image settings. So here there is a button underneath that says AI Image Editor. So you want to click on that. That is going to open up the AI Image Editor with so many different options that you can make use of to edit your image. Here you can click on the background replacer option, which is the 10th option over here. So click on that. Here on the background replacer feature, there are different examples of different backgrounds that you want to replace it with. So if you click on each, so for example, let's click on the roses option, it is going to give a prompt that is in line with the roses option. That kind of explains what kind of background you want. Obviously, you don't have to choose from the examples. You can actually write your own prompt over here if you'd like. Once you do that, you can click on this button over here that says Removed Background. That is going to remove the given background of your image. So just wait for that. Once that's done, you can finally utilize either the examples or you can write your own prompt of what kind of background you'd like. So I mentioned earlier that I want a marble type surface. So we actually have that example already over here. So this marble material option, I'm going to select that and it is going to change the prompt. So here the prompt says elegant white marble with gray veins under soft lighting. So that is exactly what I need. So again, feel free to utilize the prompt to your liking. You don't have to choose between the given examples, but once you're happy with that, click on the button underneath here that says Replace Background and just wait for your new background to generate. All right, so my background is finished generating. As you can see, it is this marble type surface. I'm really happy with it. It looks so much better than the wood surface in my opinion. So once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to click on the done button over here, and that is going to reflect onto my canvas. All right, so from this point forward, you can actually adjust and edit your image to your liking in tandem with your design. So feel free to utilize all of the options within the editor. So I'm going to do just that. I'm going to make this new and improved logo using my new image, and I will show you guys my finished product and how I was able to utilize this new image that I have. All right, so I think I'm happy with this. So all I did was I removed the transparent graphic and I replaced it with this image. So that is how you can use the background replacer feature. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.